Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in today's video, we are going to unbox this room-to-room LED modern oval light that I got from Five Below for $8. So guys, let's get into it. The great thing about this light is that it is powered by a USB cable. Alright guys, so let's see what's in this box. Here we go guys. So here is the oval light. As you guys can see, this is a wood base. It's actually does not look too cheap, and here is the cable to actually plug it in, and it looks like it just has a off and on switch. So guys, let's get this plugged in and see what it looks like. So what do you guys think? Neat for $8, huh? It's been a while since I did an unboxing from Five Below, guys, so I thought I would do a quick unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little B-roll that I did. I actually changed the game on how I do unboxings on this channel, guys. I actually designed and created my own overhead rig, and I will do that, guys, in another video. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, guys, later.